All right, everyone. So here's the update on the Batiste dry shampoo. And so I came to the store. Here's the shampoo, the 5.71. I came into the store and I have an update for you guys. So I'm moving the camera because my kids are coming in the car. But anyway, so the update is I came in, and of course, my store or one of the stores I go to, they always have like the highest prices. So instead of 16.99, it was 17.99. The deal was started yesterday, Sunday the 9th, and it finishes March the 15th. Is that you buy two, buy one, get one 50% off, and then you're supposed to get $10 back. If you do it in store, you will get $10 in a registered reward, and if you did it online, then you will get, I'm assuming, $10 online. But I think it's just in the store. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so I came here now, right there. There's a date and the time. 17.99 for one, 50% off for the other one. Hopefully you could see it without the glare. So I ended up paying before taxes $26.98, which is pretty high out of pocket. But again, you're supposed to get $10 back in a register reward. And there it is. Yay! It's printing out. Someone pointed out that it could be because you got to get the higher price one. So the big ones that I got, the 5.71 or higher versus the 3.81. That's a lower cost, and you pay about 18 and change or 19 and change or something like that, depending on the price that your store has it. They're saying that you have to spend 25 or more. This is not this is a separate promotion apart from that beauty promotion. As you can see here on the register reward, it's actually the name of the company, Batiste, however you spell that, you pronounce that. It's coming from them. It's not coming just in general from that beauty perk that we were getting, and it doesn't look the same. The beauty perk, if you guys have done any of those deals, it has like a bunch of beauty items on it. This you can use for anything. Okay, you don't have to specifically use it in beauty items or anything like that. Even though the beauty item, you could use it on other things, and I've shown you a video. Go check that out. But again, the registered rewards look different because it's different promotion. I checked any other qualifying products, and it's just this brand, these dry shampoos, and the ones that look like these. It doesn't have to be this particular scent or looking bottle. Anyway, so the point is that it is working. So go ahead and get yours. Check out the videos that I have been posting so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, it's a great deal. You buy two, again, buy one, get one 50% off. You're going to get $10 back. But I used one of those paper perks from the photos. I have the photo in my bag, but from the photos, I printed one of those out. So I got $5 into my account. You can see right here, $5 back into my account as well. And on top of that, I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $6 back, $3 on each of those cans. If you got the smaller ones, you're going to get $2 back on each of them. So go get yours. Let me know in the comments if you got yours, if it printed out, or what's going on with that. And I hope this helps. Until the next one, don't forget to like and follow for more videos and to get notified when I post these, because if you weren't following, then you would not have this notification that everything is working out well. And share so that more people could enjoy the savings. Until the next one, and don't forget to smile.